Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? I remember a night when I was camping with my family. We were far away from city lights, tucked under a blanket of stars. The sky was so clear, it felt like you could reach out and touch the galaxies. I found myself lying on the grass, feeling the cool earth beneath me, listening to the gentle rustle of the leaves in the evening breeze. As I gazed upward, I couldn't help but wonder, are we alone, or is there life beyond Earth? The idea of alien life has fascinated people for centuries. It's a question that's as old as human curiosity itself. Today, we're diving into this age-old mystery and exploring the possibilities of life out there in the cosmos. First, let's talk about what we mean by life. Here on Earth, life comes in all shapes and sizes, from the tiniest bacteria to the towering trees in a rainforest. But what if life on another planet doesn't look anything like what we're used to? It's exciting to think that life elsewhere could be completely different. Maybe it's not carbon-based, or perhaps it thrives in environments where nothing on Earth could survive. Consider this. Our planet is just one among billions in the Milky Way galaxy. Some of these heavenly bodies, known as exoplanets, orbit around stars other than our Sun. Scientists have identified thousands of them, and some are located in what's called the habitable zone. This is the sweet spot where conditions might be right for life, with temperatures that could allow liquid water to exist. Think of it like the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Some planets are too hot, some are too cold, but a few might be just right. The idea that there could be a perfect little world out there, teeming with life, is thrilling. Now, let's take a moment to imagine how a message from another world might sound. Maybe it's a series of musical notes, a kind of cosmic symphony reaching across the void. Or perhaps it's a pattern of lights that tells a story, flickering with a rhythm that we can only begin to decode. The idea that somewhere out there, a civilization might be trying to communicate with us is enough to send shivers down your spine. Of course, we have been trying to reach out as well. Since the 1970s, humans have been sending messages into space, hoping someone might be listening. We've launched golden records with sounds and images from Earth, like a time capsule for the stars. We've sent radio waves, beaming signals into the abyss, waiting for a reply. It's like sending a message in a bottle across a vast ocean, never knowing if or when it might wash ashore on the other side. The sheer vastness of space, with all its unknowns, is humbling. Yet, it's also a reminder of why we continue to search, to look outward and wonder. But what does it mean if we do find life? How would it change our understanding of ourselves, our place in the universe? It's a profound question, touching on the very essence of who we are. Discovering life beyond Earth would mean we're not alone, that we're part of a much larger cosmic community. I remember a conversation I had with my grandmother about this. She was a wise woman, with a deep love for nature and a belief in the interconnectedness of all living things. She told me that whether or not we find aliens, remembering that we're part of something bigger can inspire us to take better care of our world and each other. The search for alien life is ultimately about understanding life itself. It's about asking who we are and where we come from. It's about dreaming of possibilities and what could be waiting for us in the great beyond. As we continue to explore the cosmos, every discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? Whether it's through telescopes or spacecraft, the quest pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and imagination. And through it all, as we look up at the stars, we continue to be filled with wonder and hope. So the next time you find yourself beneath the night sky, take a moment to ponder that question. Wrap yourself in the mystery and the magic of it all. Feel the connection to the universe, knowing that somewhere out there, something incredible might be waiting to be found.